What is network topology? Network topology refers to the physical or logical layout of a computer network. It defines how devices such as computers, routers, switches, and other network components are connected to each other, and how data is transmitted within the network. Network topology is a crucial consideration when designing, implementing, and managing computer networks. There are several common types of network topologies, each with its advantages and disadvantages. Star topology. In a star topology, all network devices are connected to a central hub or switch. The central hub acts as a mediator for data transmission between devices. This topology is straightforward to set up and troubleshoot because each device is connected directly to the central hub. However, if the central hub fails, the entire network may go down. Bus topology. In a bus topology, all devices are connected to a single central cable, the bus. Data travels along the cable, and devices tap into it to send or receive data. Bus topologies are relatively simple but can be vulnerable to cable failures, as a break in the main cable can disrupt the entire network. Ring topology. In a ring topology, each device is connected to exactly two other devices, forming a closed loop. Data circulates around the ring until it reaches its destination. While ring topologies provide redundancy, a failure at a single point can disrupt the entire network. Mesh topology. In a mesh topology, every device is connected to every other device. This provides the highest level of redundancy and fault tolerance because multiple paths exist for data to travel between any two devices. Mesh topologies are robust but can be expensive and complex to implement, especially in larger networks. Tree, hierarchical, topology. A tree topology combines elements of both star and bus topologies. It consists of multiple star-configured networks connected to a central bus or backbone. This structure can scale well and provide some redundancy, but it can also be complex to manage. Hybrid topology. Hybrid topologies are combinations of two or more of the basic topologies mentioned above. They are used to achieve specific goals, such as balancing redundancy and cost-effectiveness. Point-to-point topology. In a point-to-point topology, there is a dedicated connection between two devices. This is often used in wide-area networks, WANs, where data needs to be transmitted directly between specific locations. Logical topology. In addition to physical topologies, networks also have logical topologies that describe how data flows within the network. Common logical topologies include Ethernet, a bus-based logical topology, and IP, an address-based logical topology. The choice of network topology depends on factors like the network size, the level of redundancy required, cost constraints, and the specific application's needs. Different network topologies have their advantages and trade-offs, so network designers select the most suitable topology based on the unique requirements of the network they are building.